In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Forms with multiple pages. If you've ever wanted your survey or quiz to feel organized and less overwhelming, breaking it into multiple pages is a great approach. It helps people focus on one part at a time, reduces scroll fatigue, and can improve completion rates. Here's how to get set up quickly and confidently. First, head to Google Forms in your web browser. You'll be working right in the editor, which is simple and clean. At the start, you'll see options to begin from a template or start from scratch. For this walkthrough, choose the blank form. Starting blank lets you control the structure from the ground up and is perfect when you already know the sections you want. Once the blank form opens, you'll see a default question ready to go in the main canvas. In the question section, type your first question. This could be anything from a short text prompt to a multiple choice question. As you type, you'll notice the form autosaves and provides fields for answer choices when applicable. Keep your wording clear and concise. If you're planning a longer form, it can help to make the first question simple and welcoming so respondents ease into the flow. Now, to turn this into a multi-page form, look at the toolbar on the right side of the editor. Click on Add Section. This creates a new section below your current content, which becomes a new page for respondents. Think of each section as a chapter of your form. The first section might collect basic details, while the next covers preferences, feedback, or quiz items. When someone fills out the form, they'll complete one section at a time and click Next to move forward. After adding a section, you'll see a space for a section title and an optional description. Use these to set expectations, like a brief summary of what's coming up or any instructions that apply only to that page. Clear headings make the experience smoother and help people understand why you're asking certain questions. You can continue drafting questions in each section, just as you did at the start. Each time you add a section, you're effectively creating another page. Keep related questions together so your form feels logical. Shorter pages with focused topics are easier to complete, especially on mobile devices. That's the core process. Go to Google Forms, start with a blank form, type your question, and use Add Section to create multiple pages. With those basics, you can structure professional, user-friendly forms that guide respondents step by step.